Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. What is the circular cap on a mushroom called? Is it A. Pileus, B. Rhizome, C. Stipe, or D. Gills? The answer is A. Pileus.
The pileus, or mushroom cap, is not just a pretty top, it's a spore-launching pad. This umbrella-like structure protects the gills underneath, where spores are produced. When mature, it releases millions of spores into the air, ensuring the next generation of fungi can spread far and wide.
Question 2. What is desmology the study of? Is it A. Butterflies and moths, B. Things which cannot be known, C. Ants, or D. Ligaments? The answer is D. Ligaments.
Desmology, the study of ligaments, delves into the fascinating world of these fibrous connectors that hold our bones together. Ligaments are like nature's duct tape, providing stability and support to joints while allowing for movement. Without them, our bodies would be as wobbly as a marionette without strings.
Question 3. What is polemology the study of? Is it A. Study of horses, B. Wine and winemaking, C. War in an interdisciplinary context, or D. Cats? The answer is C. War in an interdisciplinary context.
Polemology, derived from the Greek word polemos meaning war, delves into the multifaceted nature of conflict. It examines not just battles and strategies but also the psychological, sociological, and economic impacts of warfare. This interdisciplinary approach helps us understand how wars shape societies and influence global dynamics beyond mere military engagements.
Question 4. Which networking protocol is used to access websites securely? Is it A. SMTP, B. HTTPS, C. SSH, or D. FTP? The answer is B. HTTPS.
HTTPS, standing for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, encrypts data exchanged between your browser and a website. Introduced in 1994 by Netscape, it uses SSL, TLS protocols to protect sensitive information like passwords and credit card numbers. Interestingly, Google began prioritizing HTTPS sites in search rankings in 2014 to encourage safer browsing experiences.
Question 5. What is the word for a group of cattle? Is it A. covey, B. a murder, C. a sloth, or D. a drove? The answer is D. a drove.
A group of cattle is called a drove, a term that evokes images of cowboys herding these majestic creatures across vast landscapes. Historically, drovers played crucial roles in moving livestock to markets, often traveling hundreds of miles. This practice was so significant that it inspired numerous Western films and novels.
Question 6. A young squirrel is known as what? Is it A. an owlet, B. a hatchling, C. a kit, or D. a larva? The answer is C. a kit.
A young squirrel is called a kit, a term shared with baby foxes and beavers. These tiny creatures are born blind and hairless, relying entirely on their mothers for warmth and nourishment. As they grow, kits develop impressive agility, eventually mastering the art of leaping from tree to tree.
Question 7. What is actinology the study of? Is it A. the effect of light on chemicals? B. freshwater environments? C. animal behavior? Or D. ticks and mites? The answer is A. the effect of light on chemicals.
Actinology delves into the fascinating world where light and chemistry intersect. Imagine sunlight as a magical wand, transforming substances at a molecular level. This study is crucial in understanding processes like photosynthesis and even the fading of colors in art over time, revealing light's powerful influence on our world.
Question 8. In the human body, what is the name given to glands responsible for producing hormones? Is it A. eccrine glands? B. salivary glands? C. mammary glands? Or D. endocrine glands? The answer is D. endocrine glands.
Endocrine glands are like the body's secret messengers, releasing hormones directly into the bloodstream to regulate everything from mood to metabolism. The pituitary gland, often dubbed the master gland, can be as small as a pea but wields immense power over other glands, orchestrating a symphony of bodily functions.
Question 9. What is the word for male hedgehog? Is it A. a tiercel? B. a boar? C. a ram? Or D. a jack? The answer is B. a boar.
In the whimsical world of hedgehogs, a male is called a boar, borrowing terminology from their much larger piggy counterparts. Despite their prickly appearance, these boars are quite the romantics, often engaging in elaborate courtship dances to woo their mates. Who knew such tiny creatures could have such grand gestures?
As we orbit away from today's quiz, remember, in the universe of knowledge, curiosity is your gravity. Stay curious and keep exploring. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.